One of the marvelous things about traveling is that you meet a lot of interesting people, even if it's just brief encounters at, say, the annual Corvette show in Prescott. That's where we just happened to pass a vendor selling engine art, and I just happened to grab one of their cards in that V8 card holder. Now, 4 years later, it's led me to this industrial body shop in Cottonwood and 14-year-old Tough Morgan, who was working on one of his card holders.
I mean, we put the V8s on trophies like we have back there. We have card holders, so it's just a concept we all came up with.
Now, what's this guy over here that's waiting?
Right here?
Yeah.
It's just a piston and connecting rod we welded together. And this will be our base for our card holder.
As you can tell now, this car art requires car parts, and Tough and his dad Rob have a bunch of auto parts stored up in the shop. And as strange as it seems, this is where Tough came to look for ideas for a Mother's Day gift for his mom.
I grabbed some timing chain, a couple nuts and bolts, and I made a rough heart design similar to this one today. And everybody liked them, so this is what we've done ever since. And so it pretty much starts just like our card holder we just did.
You've got to be the only kid in America who, for Mother's Day, went to a welding shop, collected old chains, nuts and bolts and whatever, and thought, hey, this says, I love you, Mom.
Yeah, sure.
Did she like it?
Yeah, it's still in our house today.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really cool.
It's only natural that Tough has become a talented welder artist. He really is just a chip off the old engine block. He's always hung around the shop with his dad, who, needless to say, is a talented artist in his own right. In fact, the whole family is, for that matter, as I was brilliantly shown at the family gallery in Sedona, in Tlaquepaque, to be exact.
It's right down here. Every one of them is signed too, so they're all signed and dated. Whiskey Time Fabrication.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
The gallery is a rich collection of very different styles, but they all have something in common. One very talented family. Tough's grandparents are accomplished photographers. His aunt has created her own unique painting style, and it's been very popular. And his dad, of course, can turn any man's trash into another man's treasure, like this cactus that's now been delivered to a collector in Virginia.
My mother and father do all the photography in the gallery. So she says, can you build us a saguaro cactus? So this is the first try at it. So we took 3 timing chains, welded them together. Once I was finished, I had about 3 inches left, so it barely made it. It's filled with connecting rods, LS2 camshafts. It's got pinion bearings, it's got roller bearings. And then Tough was building his weed whacker, so I stole the old spark plug and it sit right inside the gear here. So that's his spark plug of his weed whacker. Thank you.
It's amazing how creative people are. But nothing is more amazing than a young man with a big heart making his mom happy on Mother's Day.